Why does it often feel like cleaning takes forever? Imagine if you could slice your cleaning time in half, still achieving spotless results. Welcome to the art of speed cleaning, a strategy that combines efficiency with effectiveness. Here we explore the 13 tenets that transform tedious cleaning into a quick, satisfying task. First, make every move count. Efficiency is key, so plan your actions to avoid unnecessary steps. Each movement should serve a purpose towards your cleaning goal. Next, always use the right tools. The correct tools not only make the job easier, but also prevent damage to surfaces and ensure a deeper clean. Work from top to bottom. This gravitational approach ensures that any dust or debris falls downwards, preventing recleaning of lower areas. If it isn't dirty, don't clean it. Focus your efforts only on areas that need attention, saving time and energy. Don't rinse or wipe a surface before it's clean. Ensure that the dirt is fully loosened and captured before moving to rinse or wipe, to avoid spreading the dirt around. Stop cleaning once it's clean. Overcleaning can waste time and can even damage surfaces. If your current method isn't working, don't hesitate to switch to a heavier duty cleaner or tool. Adapting your strategy can save time and increase effectiveness. Keep your tools in impeccable shape. Well-maintained tools work more effectively and last longer, ensuring readiness for each cleaning session. Remember, repetition makes for smoother moves. The more you practice these techniques, the more automatic they become, reducing the time spent on each task. Pay attention to the task at hand. Distractions can slow you down, so focus is crucial for speed cleaning. Keep track of your time and aim to get a little faster every time. Monitoring your progress provides motivation and helps pinpoint areas for improvement. Use both hands. Engaging both hands in the cleaning process can nearly double your efficiency. If cleaning with others, work as a team. Coordinate your efforts to avoid redoing areas and to cover more ground in less time. In summary, mastering these 13 tenets of speed cleaning not only sharpens your skills, but also cuts down your cleaning time significantly. With practice, you'll find yourself breezing through cleaning tasks, leaving more time for what you truly enjoy. The benefits of speed cleaning extend beyond mere efficiency. They enhance your overall productivity and satisfaction. Perfect this skill and watch the transformation in your cleaning routine and beyond.